Hey guys, Chad Hoover, Kayak Bass Fishing. And today we're doing another subscriber question. We're actually doing a Kristie question today.
What? Okay, so today's subscriber question is from Matthew Lake. And Matthew said, Kristie, what's harder to do? Get a 5-fish limit or get Chad to listen? So, okay. So that one's kind of an easy question. It's definitely easier no matter what conditions you're in, what body of water you're in, or what lure you're throwing. Way easier to catch 5 fish than to make Chad listen. So that's a super easy one. Chad doesn't typically listen even when he's listening. So he is easily distracted. And I feel like if we were doing some diagnosing, he would have several letters like past his name of things. He can't pay attention to one thing, and he always has to have 7 things going on. He actually sat down in the room the other night, and he had the computer open. He had his headphones on to edit a video for YouTube. He had one headphone off. He turned the TV on. And then he had an iPad on the side that he was looking at the news stories from the day. And I walked in and was like, what are you doing? Why are you doing all 3 things? And he was like, what do you mean? Why would you only do one thing when you can do 3 at a time? So no, he doesn't listen. I was a high school teacher for a while, and I really don't think that you can do 3 things and listen to any of them at the same time. So that was a super easy question, super short video. So do me a favor. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. If you like having me in the videos, give this a big thumbs up. Make sure you turn on that bell up at the top so that you are notified every single time we have a new video come out so that you never miss one. And please, please, please comment below with exactly what you want to hear from me, and I'll get in these videos even more often. So thanks guys, love ya, talk to you later, bye.
What? Hey, listen, if you're gonna have your thing with the crazy pants, I'm gonna have my thing with the crazy hats.
Those pants almost, that hat almost matches my pants.
Do you want to try it?
Yeah. I don't really look good in hats. I look like a Bowie when I put a hat on.
A Bowie? How do you guys like my bald hat? This is like my Michael Myers, Dr. Evil skull cap.
Don't you think I look like a Bowie?
No.
I think so.
A Bowie. That's a knife.
A Bowie?
Designed
that
by,
goes in the water.
No, a Bowie is a knife designed by Jim Bowie. It's also known as a Bowie knife.
I thought that was David Bowie, who was a singer.
No, that's a man who wears mascara and leotards.
He's a singer.
Or he used to.
David Bowie.
Anyway, do your subscriber question.